Hello and welcome to Langquill. Langquill is an online language lab. Langquill also has an AI supported English grammar and text analysis tool. With the help of login ID and password, let us log in and look into the details of various features of Langquill. So today we are going to have only the glimpse of the platform and let us understand how these features will be useful for you. However, for the detailed walkthrough of the platform, kindly contact us. So this is an online language lab. The students can practice listening, speaking, reading, writing, and the platform also has adaptive library. So it has unlimited assessments as well as grammar quizzes. With the help of Langquill, you can get certification as well. Hold on, it has some more very interesting features. So for example, with the help of Langquill platform, you can conduct online examination as well. It also has My Dictionary, vocabulary builder as well as bite-sized learning. And to monitor the progress of the student engagement, student learning, you also have My Progress, which will give you the learning curve of the student. Let us quickly look at only these four aspects. Listening. The students can they have to listen the audio topic and then they have to answer these questions. Let me answer these questions randomly and let us see how it works. So I am submitting it. So my score is 66%. Till I get at least 90 to 100%, I should practice it. So either I can try again or I can try a new video. And you have the feature to practice speaking and pronunciation. So here is a script which is given by Langquill team, or you can create your own script. So let me try with this script. I am clicking start recording. Hello, this is Shweta of Dematic Employee Service Desk. I am in the office but with another customer at the moment. Let me stop. Here you can see the platform has converted voice into text and it has given the score as well. That means I have to practice my pronunciation till I get at least 90 to 100%. Let us go to reading. So this is pretty simple. I have to read this passage and then I have to answer. Let me answer these questions randomly and let us see what is the score. Ideally speaking, I have to read this English passage and understand, comprehend, and then I have to answer these questions. So my score should be above 90%. So I am submitting it. So here you can see, so I have scored only 37%. Either I can go and try again or I can try a new passage. So there is one more very interesting feature of Langquill platform, that is writing. So either you can write on the editor or you can upload. Let me uploaded one Word document and you can see the results. The platform has given the grammar errors, vocabulary errors and style errors. So here I can see I have made 15 grammar mistakes and no style mistakes and 4 vocabulary mistakes. The platform also identified the mistakes with respect to subcategories as well. The platform also gives readability score. So with the help of readability score, what you can do is you can frame and plan your document as per your audience. So this tool also gives you auto correction function. You can write or you can upload and you can auto correct your mistakes as well. So the platform also has the native language support. The platform also gives the correct and incorrect examples. So this is about the writing. As I mentioned, Langquill platform has various other features. To have a detailed walkthrough of the platform, kindly contact us. Thank you.